guys, I'm Sebastian, host of Ninth Island Connection, your weekly resource for all things Vegas. Check out the description below so that you can see how you can watch our television show wherever you are. And hit us up on social media. We're everywhere. We are Ninth Island Connection. If this is your first time, go ahead and subscribe. You're interested in Vegas, you landed on our channel, this video, go ahead and subscribe. That's all we do is bring you Vegas. If you're coming back, thank you so much for continuing to support us. Okay, the Flamingo. This is a 2-queen go executive room. This is 2744, and we're gonna give you a quick tour. That rhymes. So you know what to expect if you book this room type. So right here, we're in the entry, and you can probably hear the vent right here. But you know what? I do have to say, I see a lot of videos, people trashing Flamingo and going, oh my gosh, the vents are filthy. Not here, they're actually pretty clean. It's a little loud, but it's not gonna cost me to lose any sleep. We're in the entry right here. We've got a nice mirror. Make sure you're fresh to death before you leave. Looking good. Yeah, I like it. So come on in. You've got the bathroom on the other side of this glass right here, but you can't see through it, so don't worry. Let's check out the bathroom while we're talking about it. It's actually pretty spacious, and you have a shower and a tub. Let's go check it out. So here's the bathroom right here. It's actually decent size, but low ceilings. I'm 5'8", and I am touching the ceiling, but whatever. Here you have your shower. Guess what? Shampoo, conditioner, body wash, leave it at home. And then over here, you've got a soaking tub just for one person, but you know what? It is pretty deep. And then of course, the commode and your sink right here. These right here, I have to say I'm not a big fan of because it's just awkward. I'd rather have the recessed sinks, but this is it. This has not been touched in so many years. This actually used to be a television. Actually, it still is a television, but it was a working television. Years and years and years, these have not been working. I don't know if they're ever going to fix this right here, but that was your remote right there, and you have a little remote right here, so who knows what they're doing with that. Let's check out the rest of the room. Of course, I have to point out the complimentary refrigerator. And it is right next to your bed, so if you wake up in the middle of the night and you want to have a cocktail, you know, whatever, or a bottle of water or a snack, you've got your refrigerator right next to the bed. I have to say though, we actually booked a 1 king, the same room type, a 1 king though, and apparently they ran out of 1 kings, which I'm not 100% how that happens because we reserved it. And this is what we got is 2 queens. But you know what? We love the Flamingo. It's a great location. The casino is awesome. We're gonna make the most out of it. Boo-hoo us. I know, boo-hoo us. We got 2 queens instead of 1 king. It is what it is. Over here, you've got big closet. Here's your safe right here. Pretty big closet too. Yeah, works. All right, let's get on with the rest of the room. Your TV, some drawers over here for storage. Very nice. You know, Flamingo is older, but once these go away, they're never coming back. And I like tacky old Vegas. Another little drawer right here in the center. And look, my phone is already charging on the wireless charging port right there. Another thing that I like is the drape situation. So you have like a sheer curtain and then you've got the drapes. You don't have to get out of bed to close them or open them. You've got a button right here. Watch, over there. Closes automatic. And then you close your drapes right behind you. One thing that I do like is this right here. And the lights above the bed. I know it's so tacky, but I said it before. I love it because it's tacky, and once this goes away, it's not coming back. And these lamps, are you kidding me? These are the most awesome lamps. Of course, you got your workstation. I keep trying to find chips. Nobody leaves me any chips anymore when they check out. If you guys check out, leave me a couple chips. I love this chair right here, and we've got an awesome view of the strip. So you can see we've got Bellagio right there with the fountain view, and then Cosmopolitan, Aria, and those guys down the road. I love this view, and the rooftop over here, Dre's at Cromwell. Don't forget to check out our merchandise shop right here. We've got your t-shirts, your hats, coffee mugs, everything Ninth Island Connection. So again, this was room 27044 in the Spa Tower. And we did book one king, but like I mentioned, they were all out of one kings by the time we got there. So we got two queens, which is fine. The rooms are fantastic. Yes, the property is older, but we absolutely love it. And we will 100% stay here again and again and again and again. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. All we do is bring you Vegas. You're looking for Vegas information, you land it on this channel. That's all we do. And if you have been here before, thank you so much for continuing to support our channel. And as always, we want to hear from you guys. What do you guys think about Flamingo Las Vegas? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Ninth Island Connection highlights Las Vegas businesses, entertainment, events, and activities on and off the Strip, keeping our viewers connected with the Ninth Island of Las Vegas. From local mom and pop restaurants to those owned and operated by top chefs, from kitchen action to the inspiration behind the dishes, we deliver the culinary creations of Vegas. From Las Vegas entertainers and athletes to all of the exciting activities and experiences around the Vegas Valley, we keep our viewers connected with all of the excitement that the entertainment capital of the world has to offer. Of course, we can't forget about the casinos that make Vegas, Vegas, with exclusive tours of the incredible amenities and beautiful accommodations, getting right in the heart of the casino floor action and entertainment, as well as interviews with casino owners, CEOs, GMs, and executive chefs. We bring the Las Vegas Casino into our viewers' homes. Highlighting lesser-known areas like the Fremont East District, the Arts District, and Brewery Row, we bring attention to these small businesses that have become fast favorites in the local community. We bring our viewers a complete Vegas experience. We also invite our viewers along as we venture into the great outdoors of the Las Vegas Valley, sharing short road trips, hikes, and the unique sights found in the Mojave Desert. Great people, great stories, great connections, only on Ninth Island Connection.